So my ground's making a weird noise when I'm around 5K RPM. It's probably something shaking, but I'm not sure though. I know all my pegs rattle and my